going to learn that how you can create and sell digital art and graphics using AI to make passive income. Yes, you are listening right, and this is not a dream. This is true. You can create arts and graphics using AI, artificial intelligence, to make passive income by selling those digital arts and physical arts, and also providing freelance services. Basically, we are not going to use any technology or programming kind of thing to build art or to do that. We just need a simple prompts and simple images to convert these prompts and images into arts, and you just need imagination, and you just have to imagine something and type that imagination, and that imagination would be converted into art, and then you can just sell that imagination in the form of art. You can sell digital art. You might have heard about NFTs and arts, so we'll be learning about that. So let's just talk about the most important thing, and that is what's covered inside this course. First of all, I'll tell you that how you can create art from imagination. After telling you how you can set up the tools that are required, then I'll tell you that how you can turn your imagination into art using those AI tools. Like, let's suppose you imagine about a condition, or you imagine about something an if the bears are in Egypt, bears are shopping in Egypt. So you can type in portrait of bears shopping in Egypt, and you will get an art. And this is how it works, and then you can sell that art. This is basically your imagination, and also you can sell that art. And then I'll tell you that how you can turn images into arts. The condition is that image should be yours, or it should be from stock photos. It should not be a property of any other one, to avoid those copyright issues, and to make it legal. So you can take any image, like you can take a profile picture and make it 3D using AI. You can just turn it into art using AI. You can apply different patterns, and you don't need to learn all the concepts of artist, but without that you can apply the patterns, copy the patterns and paste the patterns, and you can turn any image into a beautiful art, and you can also generate the deep dreams. Then I'll tell you that how you can provide freelance design services as well. Like, after you have learned that how you can turn imagination into art, images into art, then you can provide freelance services for that. I'll also tell you about use cases and some of the success stories available on Fiverr, to like motivate you that people are doing that, and you can also do that easily. Then I'll tell you to how you can make passive income from it by selling your uh, AI built art in the form of in the form of digital art, and also in the form of physical art, as print on demand products and t-shirts. By selling t-shirts, no hassle of you is involved in it. I'll tell you about the complete automated process, about the success stories and use cases, that how people are selling their arts in the form of NFTs, in the form of digital prints, in the form of physical prints. And then at the end, I'll also tell you that how you can become a Web3 entrepreneur and artist using those AI tools that are covered in this course. Like, how you have heard about NFTs right now, so you can also sell these arts in the form of NFTs. You can just be the owner of those arts, and then you can sell those NFT arts as well, and you can become an artist and an entrepreneur of the next age internet. And that is all about this course. Now, what we are waiting for, let's just get right into the course. But before that, also watch that income and expectations lecture, to get motivated, and to know how much you can make from this physical and digital arts business, how much you can make from these AI art business. And then, if you will like that, then you can enroll into the course. Otherwise, you can skip this course. So let's just get right into it. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the income expectations and use cases of the AI generated art, and we'll be discussing and we'll be covering some of the sellers who are selling the AI art, and also some of the freelance service providers on Fiverr who are providing services successfully on Fiverr, and how much they are generating, and how much expectedly you can generate. So first of all, let's just have a look at a few of Etsy profiles, because Etsy.com is a platform where sellers used to sell arts and paintings and wallpapers kind of stuff, and there are a lot sellers there, and you can also be a part of this community and you can sell your own art by creating it. And here you can see this is a portrait, and you can just get a picture from client, then you can create this kind of portrait using AI, and then you can sell it. And here you can see it's for each one it's 9.60 dollars, and there are 16,000 sales. And if we open calculator, it would be let's just round it up and ra- multiply by 9.60, and it is $153,000 in sales. And you can this is not the net revenue, but this is sales. And if 30% of it is profit, even if 30% of it is profit, then it is $46,000, and it's not like it's a great amount. Then here the second one, and 200 and 2800 sales, and $49 worth each product. So we can just calculate this one as well. So 2800 multiply by 49 bucks, and it's $137,000. Then and this is for just one product. These sellers are selling different kind of products, and they are making revenue from different products. And you can add different products here, like, because there are different tools that I'll be talking about in this course, so you can all use or utilize all those tools. Then this one here, you can see 641 sales with $12 each. Then this one is 10,000 plus sales with $290 each. And then this one is again the same, and it's by same seller, but the different product. Then let's just have a look at Fiverr now. And here you can see there are like a few gigs only on Fiverr. So there is demand, but there is less competition, so you can be a part of this game on Fiverr, and you can sell these services on Fiverr as well, and you can make a lot from it. And here you can see, here's the seller, and this seller is providing one AI generated image for $15, and it just takes 5 to 10 minutes to generate that image without editing. Then if you know a bit about Photoshop, you can also add these kind of gigs, like you can do Canva editing or Photoshop editing to make this picture beautiful. And here you can see it's $35, and then with fully professional Photoshop edit, it's $80 for one artwork only. And I think that's a great amount. And if you will learn Canva or Photoshop a bit, and you will make some touches, and it would take you 20 to 25 minutes to generate $80. And then there's the next gig, $10 for one AI generated image, then for 25 for 5 AI generated images, and then $40 for 6 AI generated images. And here you can see one order is already in queue, and he has 18 ratings, and this one is 26 ratings and $2 already in queue. And then here you can see this one is providing the 20 illustrations for $75, then 5 for $30, and 2 for $15. So that's how people are working and providing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and selling their artwork on Etsy and like Etsy kind of platforms. Then there is Redbubble and Printify. You can sell print on demand t-shirts, so you can start your own print on demand business without worrying about that print on demand stuff, because all the physical shipping and stuff would be managed by the merchant. And there are also other methods of making money that I'll be covering in this course. So if you think this course is for you, and you want to start another side hustle, and you want to start another business on side, then I think you should invest into this course. It would take a few hours a few hours of you, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, or even 1 hour, if you are like, if your course is on fast forward. So you just have to spend an hour or two, and you will be able to generate thousand of dollars in passive income. So I'll see you right in the course if you are interested. And if you would have any questions, you can ask me. My personal messages are always there for you. The course q if you are enrolled, the course Q&A is there for you, so you can ask me any questions. I would love to answer. So see you in the course. And one thing more, that if you are still not convinced, you can watch the what's inside lectures, which cover all about all the sections, which covers all about what's inside the specific section. So this course is divided into sections, and the sections are divided into the lectures. So the what's inside lecture covers all that's covered in the lecture, in the section. So don't forget to watch the what's inside sections as well, so you can have an idea that what's inside this course that you can learn, and what's the value inside this course that you can get. So let's just go into it. Before just getting right into the course, I have few important things to discuss with you, some features to show you, and to tell you about a few things with which you can get most out of this course. But before that, a contribution of yours is required, because Udemy will ask you for a rating, and your positive rating is much more appreciated, because it would help other students to decide that whether this course is for them or not. And I will also get help from your ratings, and it would help me and my team to get motivated to create much more valuable courses like this one. So don't forget to give the rating. But if you are not sure if this course is worth it or not, you can watch the course till end, and then you can provide your ratings. Then a bit about Udemy's features. So first of all, when you will get into the course, you can also get the Udemy app on Play Store and App Store if you want to learn on mobile. But if you are already on mobile, you can go with that. And but if you want to learn on desktop, here you have some of the features. Like from here you can increase or decrease the playback speed, and here you can also see the transcript of the complete course, and when the
And
course will
welcome
be
to
played,
the
the
course.
transcript would be changed. And then here in settings, if you feel the video is blurry and the content is not good, you can select the resolution. You can increase the resolution to HD. But upcoming courses of mine, all of these courses will be in full HD, and maybe in 4K as well. So according to your speed, internet speed and performance, you can just change it. And then here in overview, first of all, here you have the Q&A panel. So here you can ask me any questions, and I would love to answer you. Then from here you can just see all your notes you created, and announcement section is full of the announcements. And then here in learning tools, you can schedule your timings for learnings that Udemy help you with. And I also have a Facebook group where we have a complete community of successful entrepreneurs, hustling people, hustling, and my students of mine. You can come to this group, and you can just join this group. And to join this group, you can just go there into the course and click on resources, and just click on Facebook group, and you will get to that group, and you can join this group. Here in this group, we'll be discussing some productive things like how to get things done, how to start an online business. If you have any problems, you can share here, and you can also help other people solve their problems. And also, you can network with other digital entrepreneurs, online business owners, and students of mine. So you can just get into that group to get support, and to get a network and network with other people. And the best thing about this group or network is all these people are like-minded people, and you can communicate with them easily, and it would help you a lot. And I'll be waiting for you in the practical part of the course. Let's jump right into it. Welcome to this AI art generation section, and in this section we are going to cover completely AI art generation using artificial intelligence, creating like all the practical steps to generate your art practically. So what's covered inside this section? First of all, I'll tell you how you can set up the AI playground where you will be doing it all, then how you can convert your imaginations into art by typing the situation, then how you can turn simple images into art, then how you can create deep dreams using AI, and then we'll also talk a bit about the future of AI. So there are three main tools that we are going to use to generate art, and these are the basic tools the main tools with which you can generate awesome arts with creativity, and then you can sell those arts. So let's just jump right into this section to learn more about setting up playground and creating art using AI. In this lecture, we are going to set up the AI playground where you will be able to generate art using AI. And the tool we are going to use is Deep Dream Generator. And you can directly go to deepdreamgenerator.com, or you can type in Deep Dream Generator here, and you will get to this tool. Here is this one is the tool, deepdreamgenerator.com. You just have to go there, and here you can see this is the main website of Deep Dream Generator. Here you have the tools. There are three tools that we will be using: Text to Dream, Deep Style, and Deep Dream. And then here you have a guide as well, how it works. And then here you have the press releases and gallery as well, which type of art can be generated using Text to Dream. So this one, and this one was generated using Text to Dream. Then these ones were generated with Deep Style, and then these are some of the Deep Dreams. And here you have also some of the informations, and then you can go to the pricing section to see about their pro pricing. You can also get the free version, but if you need more of the art, you want to sell NFT at a huge level, or you want to sell art at a huge level, then you will have to subscribe to their premium plan as well. So now we'll just get back to the home page, and here you have all the things here. And now what we'll do is we'll just click on sign up, and here you will have, you can sign up with Google, or you can enter your name, email, password, and you can just create a new free account. And I already have an account, so what I'll do is I'll just click on login, and here I'll just again click on login with my login password, or I'll just click on login with Google, and I'll just log in with my Google account. So here it's getting logged in, and here you can see. So this is Dream Generator. After you will sign up, you will see it here, and here you can see Deep Dream Generator is not only a generator, but here you have the complete community, and I'll tell you the use of this community as well, that how you can use this community, and how you can make use of this community. Now here you can see, first of all, here you have the trending feed, then latest, and then best. And here you have the subscribe option, so you can subscribe to the premium plan if you want. And here you have the complete guide, that what you will get in the premium plan. There is also the currency of Deep Dream Generator is energies. You need to spend energies to get the art, and you will be getting 12 energies per hour, and like these kind of things. I'll tell you about all that. And then here you have the dreamer section, where you have the top dreamers, and you can have a look at the dreamers as well. And here you have your profile, where you will have all your arts. Here I generated an art, cat shopping in an ancient Greek. So this is the art, and I can sell that art. And then this one, this is fighting in ancient sword battle. And then this is our art, which is Muslims celebrating Eid. And here you can see this art was completely generated using AI, and then you can sell it on the platforms. And I this art of me, it was liked by 6 people, and it was generated recently 2 days ago. And then here you have this user levels as well. And I am right now a subscriber, but if, a newbie. But if you want to become a member, then you will get a recharge of 3 per hour. And here you will have to make 5 dreams per day. And then with the Dreamer account, you'll have to publish 15 dreams with 7 days account, and you will have to get 200 likes. And then you will there is a storage difference and also recharging difference that you will get. So this is all about setting up the playground. Now we have set up the playground, and now you can just go directly to generate. And here using text to dream, you can generate art using your imagination. Then you will also be using deep style, and will also be using deep dream to generate the dreams. So now let's just stop this section, because we have set up our AI playground. Now we'll be using these tools to generate art. And let's just move on to the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to use text to dream. To do that, let's just go to main deep dream generator page, and here we have the feed. Now we'll just click on generate, and here you can see we have the main text to dream, and here we have to add the prompt. Then we can also add the base image, and then the art would be generated. For the simple art, it would charge you 5 energies, and I right now have 204 energies. And here you have to imagine anything you can add in here. And I just had a homework on it, and I just had this prompt: ghost ship on an ocean, on the ocean. And then here you have to imagine anything, imagine about anything, like old men playing chess in ancient Greek, or old like a small market, a small farm market in Arab town, or these kind of imaginations. You can imagine anything, and you can just type in here, and then from here you can add the modifier. Like I'll add first of all, what's its genre should be. So it's trending on ArtStation, and then I'll say digital painting as well. If you want to follow the style of any artist, you can select any artist from here. And then from here you can select the quality. What should be its quality? So it should be photorealistic. And then if you want to add any effect here, I want to add a fantasy effect, a colorful effect, and uh, beautiful effect as well. Then photography, if you want to add anything from here, fantastic view. And then I'll just close it, and here we have all the prompts. We have this prompt as well, and we have the modifiers as well. And if you want to add base image, you can add it, and I'll tell you about this one as well. But right now we'll just do it without the base image. And from here, first of all, what should be its aspect ratio? It should be portrait, landscape, or square. So I'll say it should be square. And then what should be the quality? If the quality is high, it would charge us extra 10 energies. So you can go with normal. Then if you want to face enhance, it's for free. Then upscale and enhance, it can be 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 5 megapixel, or you can make it none. So I'll say none, and I'll just click on generate to generate the art, to save the energy. And now it's generating the art. It would take some time, so I'll just pause it and get back after it's done. So here you go, the art got generated for us, and this is the art that was generated using AI. And we did some rough stuff. We didn't go a lot creative in it, but we just got this. And now let me just open this link in new tab, and here you can see this is the art. And now we have three options. If you like this art, you can make it public, or you can just regenerate the art, or you can just evolve it. I'll just click on evolve, and here you can add more stuff here. You can use this art, and you can evolve it with modifiers. Like you can add an artist style. Then you can also add, like let's say, cinematic lighting or portrait. And then you can click on evolve with 5 energies, and you can evolve this image to generate another art. So it would take some time to generate the art, maybe less than a minute, but we'll have to wait for it. And after this art is generated, we'll see how it looks. So after some evolution, here you can see this is the art we got. And that's how we can just generate art. And then you can make it public, and it would be shown on your profile. You will also receive likes, and you can just download it from here to just make it able to sell. Okay. And then if you are not an artist like me, like I am horrible artist from my school days, because I just got the least marks in that painting subject. So I'm the horrible artist. So if you are an horrible artist like me, so what you are a creative like me, so what you can do is you can just go to the deepdreamgenerator.com feed, and here you can get inspiration. You can go to the best, and here you can see the arts by different people. Like this one, this guy created this art, and it is the best art for this week, or you can select for this month. So this is the best art for this month, and for this year, this is the best art for this year. And here you can see the different arts, and you can reuse these arts, not completely reuse, but you can modify a bit, and then you can use these arts. Now let me just go to the latest. Here you will get the latest arts. You can just click on high score, and here you can see these are the high score arts. And here you go, and here you can see this is ultra realistic photo of me overwatch petting a cat, colorful. So this art was generated, or maybe let's say any art that you would like let's say this art. And if you want to try it, you want to create the similar art, you can just click on try it. And here you go, you have the complete prompt of this art, and this the same art would be generated from it. But if you want your own art, then what you can do is you can just add some modifiers, and you can just modify this text a bit. And sunset, like say I'll say sunrise in the alleys of a picture scare and a flowery town, colorful houses. And then I'll remove it, and then I'll add some more. I'll add Lisa Frank, then I'll add colorful, and I'll just close it. Then here you can just select the face enhance and quality as well. And if you want to add a base image, I'll tell you about base image, but you can just click on generate. And from here this dream would be generated, this art would be generated, and you would have your own one with some of the modifications. So you can apply this strategy as well. You can go there in the feed. From there you can just get inspiration, which arts are getting generated, and you can after getting inspiration you can just type the text, and something awesome would be generated for you. It's 70%. You can browse this more this feed, and you can see if something works for you, if something is beneficial for you, or something is good for you. And here you can see there are different arts, and will also all these arts are not text to dream. These are from different tools that we'll be covering in the next lectures. But here you can see, oh, oh my god, this is the art we got using our own modifiers. And I think it's amazing, and I cannot imagine, even after spending months, I can create this type of art with my own hands. But I just created this art successfully using AI. And then now you can just sell this digital painting, you can sell this digital art on different platforms, and I'll tell you about that on the next section, where we'll be talking about monetization, this monetizing this stuff. Now I'll again generate this. Oh my god, I just forgot to make it public, so I'll just make it public. And now I'll add sunrise, I'll say colorful sunrise in Flory town. And here I can just add some tags like sunrise, colorful town, flowers, fantasy. Okay, here you can add a description of your art, and then you can just publish it. And here you go, your art has been published, and now you can evolve it as well. Now we'll again click on generate, and here you also have a option to random prompt. And here you can see here in the help section you have the complete guide, what the text prompt is, and then what are the modifiers, what is the base image, what is the quality, what is face enhance, what is upscale and enhance, aspect ratio, regenerate, and new variant. So all the guide is here for you. And because deep dream generator is using a stable diffusion, so you can also get a look at the stable diffusion public release for more information. And then here you have a random prompt option as well to generate a random prompt. So you can click on this random prompt, and a random prompt would be created for you, and you can just generate art using this random prompt generated by AI itself. And you don't need to even imagine anything, and AI will do it all for you. But what you need is an amazing marketing strategy to sell your art. You don't have to worry about creating art, because AI will do it all for you. You don't have any excuse that you can't imagine, you can't think, because AI is doing it all for you. So you just need to have an amazing marketing strategy. And Here you go. Here you go. You just got an amazing picture here, generated using AI without any hassle. So these kind of things are what you will get using AI. And one more thing that we just left is, again, I'll just click on generate, and we just left something which is this base image. We can also generate amazing art using this base image. And now we'll be using the base image to generate amazing art. So from the stock photos or anywhere else, you can select an image. You can upload a photo of your as well, and add effect to it. And here you will have to select a base image. And from here, just I'll select this image. And this is a kind of palace. So what effect I'll add is ghosty palace with scary uh, lightings, and or what we can do here as well, let's say this one only, and here from here we can add the modifiers. So this one, and uh, then what should be added here? Yep, this one, and then ultra realistic, photorealistic, and hyper realistic. And then it should be a fantasy, colorful. Let's say it's not a fantasy, but it is. And then it's a bit confusing because I'm not a good artist. So here you can see these were the some of the modifiers. And not every time you will get the perfect art, but yep, you can try it and you can get something out of it. I'll just click on generate, and we'll see what kind of art we'll get. And here you go. It's just going on and on and on and on, and we'll see what kind of art we'll get. I'll not pause the video. I'll just be there, and we'll see uh, what we're going to get. And here you go. Oh my god, oh my god. This is an amazing art built by us from a simple image. Okay, so here you can see this was the simple image that I downloaded from pexels.com. And there we go. We just got this art, and this art can be sold because it's our own art. And that was a Creative Common image and free image that we got from the Pexels. And here you go. So you can just convert this image into art. You can make it public. And scary palace of ghosts. And then here you can add ghosty, scary, fantasy palace, or anything you want to add. And then just click on publish. And here you go, our art got published. And here on our profile we have different arts here. And we have different things here. And like I have created multiple arts, and that's how you can generate art from text. And these are all the options you can apply. Then you have also like upscaling option. You can add a 5 megapixel upscale, or 2 megapixel, but it would cost you more energies. Then you can add random prompts, and then you can change the aspect ratio. And this is all about text to dream. We'll also be covering deep style and deep dream in the next lectures, but that is all about the text to dream, and you know how to download that specific art. And after we have learned how to create arts using deep dream generator, then in next section obviously we'll cover also that how you can monetize those arts by selling these arts, and selling the services. So that was all about this lecture. See you in next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn that how you can convert images into art using AI by applying different styles, by applying different designs, and we'll also be talking about some of the hacks that you can apply. So to do that, first of all, we'll just click on this generate one. So here, this is generator, and this is open, and now we'll just have to go to deep style. And in this lecture, we are just basically going to cover the complete deep style stuff. So what the concept is here, that first of all you will have to choose the base image, then you have to apply the styles, and then you have some of the settings that you you can apply. And for the settings info, you can click on read here, and you can get all the information, like what are the purposes of the what is the purpose of all these settings, and how you can use these settings, and how these settings would be helpful for you. Here you have the complete guide, so you can have a look at this complete guide to just see why these settings are beneficial for you. So first of all, here you will have to choose a base image. So from here we'll just choose a base image. From here you can choose any image. Let's say I'll choose this image from the previous lecture, or you can choose your own image as well if you want to create a 3D avatar, or like you can choose any image here. Then you have to choose a style. From here you have different styles which are popular here. Different styles are there, and you can copy any of these styles, or you can just go to files, and here in styles you can go to copied. Now here you will not see any style, but when you will see it, let me just tell you, you can apply any style here, but you can just go to the deep dream generators feed, and here in latest we'll just browse some of the images here, and we'll just go a bit below, and here you can see there are multiple images that we can see here, but we are looking for the images that are using deep style. I think there we cannot find the images with deep style, so we'll just go to the trending ones, and here in trending ones we'll just go below, and here we are basically looking for the images that use base style, and I'll tell you, or deep style, and I'll tell you how deep style works, and uh, like how we can find it. Let's just go to best. We cannot find here, but here we'll be able to find it. I am sure that we'll find it here. So here you can see. So how you know that the image is using deep style is that there would be three images, and here you have a ds1 or ds2, and here you have an add button. Now how this works, this was the image, first of all, this was the base image, this was the style applied, and then this was the image that you got, this was the art you got. Now if you want to copy that style, you can just click on this add button, and this style would be copied to your copied folder. So that's how, like, you can have a look at these images, and here these images are loading. First of all, this was the base image. Sorry. Yep. So this was the image that got generated, and this was the style with which you got this image. And then here you can see you have the complete details, and then you will have a lot other images as well here, like this one. Here you can see this was the base image, and after applying this style you got this image. So we'll also copy this style. So if you like any style, you can copy it. Then this was the flower, and after applying this style you got this image. So that's how it works. Now how we can apply the same thing on our images is, first of all, we'll have to select an image. Let me just have a look at other styles as well, if we could find some styles here, because it's a bit rare, and it's a bit hard to find those kind of images. And now we'll just go there, and now what we'll have to do is we have to apply some kind of style here. Like, let's say I'll apply this style, or I'll just go to select style image, and from here in copied, if I want to apply any style, like I want to make this palace colorful, so I'll just select this one. Then here, first of all, the resolution. So for the resolution, here you have output image resolution in megapixels, 1 million pixels, or an image with size 1000 by 1000. High resolution image looks better but consumes more energy. So if you want high resolution, the image resolution would be higher, the quality would be good, but the energies, more energies would be used. Like with this one QHD, it would be minus 80, then 80 energies would be used. With HD, 12 energies would be used, and with this one 0.36 3, and with this one 5 energies would be used. Then AI enhance, how do you want it? I want it auto, and then iteration boost. You can make iteration boost as well, and here you can see for iteration boost, here you have the details, like iteration boost 1 is how it looks, and this is the sample for 1.5, and this is for 2. And here you have the complete explanation here. While the algorithm is reconstructing the new image from the input and style images, it will be eventually hit a convergence. It will eventually hit a convergence point where more iterations won't change anything, but since the convergence point is hard to automatically detect, we allow users to tinker with this parameter. So this means the more the better, but sometimes it will be just a waste of energy. Usually 1.5 should be enough, but it may need more for high resolution or specific styles. Okay, so it's saying iteration boost of 1.5 is enough, but if you have higher resolution images, you want it in higher resolution, then you can increase the iteration boost. Then style weight should be 50%, and the style scale should be there. And then the preserved colors, let's just see. This is the for style. Less means more like the original image, and more means more like the style image. So how which image do you want to be dominant, this style image or this base image? If you want it to be 50-50, then select 50%. If you want it 60-40, then you can select this one. Then style scale, make extracted patterns from the styles image smaller. This is again the same. And preserve colors, what it does is it takes the colors from input image and use them. So you can also enable this one. I'll disable it, and now 8 energies would be used for applying this style on this image. And I'll just click on generate to generate the art, and click on submit, and make sure that the base image is yours and base image is not copyrighted, because if the base image is copyrighted, then you can be sued. Now we'll wait for a few seconds because it takes time to just produce the image, and after the image is produced, I'll just show it to you. And here you go, the art got to us, and here you can see a colorful palace. And this doesn't look good because every try is not perfect, so you can click on repeat and modify, and you can select any other style and you can apply that style here. Like, let's say we'll just go to files, or maybe let's go back and from select choose styles, and from here you'll have to click on styles, then copy it, and from here let's just select another style. Let's say this one, or let's say this one. And now just click on generate, and let's see how it looks now. And here you go, the art got generated. And after, if you think this art is good, then you can click on make it public, and you can make the art public. And then it's or you can say uh, golden patterned palace. And then here you can add the tags: palace, golden patterns. This is something that I just generated worst, but you can generate a lot good things using these same things, and that's how it works. And now here you can see we just generated a few interesting things using AI, and that's how you can utilize the AI to generate these kind of things. So that was the tool called and deep style. Now in next lecture we'll be covering this deep dream to generate deep dreams. So be with me in this the next lecture. So goodbye for this lecture. In this video we are going to use a tool by Deep Dream Generator, which is similar to its name, and that tool is to generate the deep dreams from the images, and that tool is Deep Dream Generator itself. So just click on generate to use this tool, and here we have this deep dream tool. And this tool is what we'll be using. We'll be just converting the images to deep dreams. We'll be adding we'll be adding a base image, and then we'll add a deep dream effect to it, to add some hallucination kind of thing to the image, and make that video more make that picture more interactive in the form of an art. So first of all, from here you will have to select the base image. You can select any kind of image, and that image can be from stock photos, your own image, or any kind of image. Or let's say I'll select this image. I'm using this image. This is the base image of this course, because for all the tools I use this image. I just downloaded it from pexels.com, and you can download any image from there, or you can click your own picture from your camera, and then you can add that picture here. After that, here you will have to add some settings. First of all, the resolution can be higher, but that would take a lot energies, so you can be between. And then in inception depth, you can make it shallow, normal, deep, or fathomless. So it's on you. If you want these deep dreams to be deep, then you can select deep, then normal, then shallow. Or if you want it to be like into it, then you can select this one. Okay, so I'll just go with the normal, and then AI enhance, it should be auto, or you can make it none. And then the neural network layers, and it has 25 layers. You can select any one of them, and for examples, you have examples for each type of layer. If this would layer 1 would be like this, and then layer 2 would be like this, layer 3 would be like this, layer 4, layer 5, layer 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is all. So this is basically what should be the depth, or what should be how much it should be clear, how much the deep dream should be clear, because it builds some neural network layers. And these layers make this image these layers help change this image and convert it into the deep dream. So you can select the layers. So if you will select the less layers, like let's say if I'll select just one layer, and I'll just click on generate, and let's see what type of image we'll get, and then we'll just increase or decrease the amount of layers, and we'll see what type of image we would get. This is not the art type of image, but yes, this image can be helpful to you if you can utilize it. You can provide services on Fiverr for regarding this image, or this tool add effects to your images. But yes, the previous two ones are to generate the art. Okay, so here you go, the image got generated, and here you can see we got an amazing effect to our image, and here you can see what kind of crazy image we got. And then we can click on go deeper, and here we can increase the number of neural network layers. Here, let's say I'll add 10, and then I'll again click on generate, and we'll see what kind of image we get using this one. So it's just generating the image, and I am waiting. It's generating, and I am waiting. Yep, it's rhyme. So let's see. I will have to wait for a few seconds, and after waiting, we'll just get it. And here you go, we got the image for that one as well. This is not that much good, and this is with bit rush or a bit mess, but that's how you can just generate the deep dreams. And then I'll just click on go deeper. I'll make it fathomless. I'll just make it 2, and I'll again click on generate. Let's see, and I'll just pause it. Do not waste your time, and get back to you after it's done. And here you can see this image got generated using this one. So that's how you can generate the deep dreams. And the concept of a deep dream is basically the simple that your image just converts into a dream-like image with more activism, and it seems like a dream, and you can increase its depth, you can decrease its depth, and you can modify it as well. It is basically done using the network layers, and that's how you can generate the image. If you want to make it public, you can make it public, and here you can just publish it. So that's how it works. This is the for the deep dream generator, but the main tools we'll be using for our business would be text to dream and deep style to sell our art. So that was all about this lecture. See you in next one. In this lecture, basically we are going to discuss that how you can become a community superhero and you can get benefits from the deep dream generator community. What are the benefits of using this community feed and all that stuff, and what are the benefits of being public? So first benefit is your energies. You can get more energies without spending money. So if you'll go to your profile and you will just click on your status, right now my one is the newbie status, but before that there is a subscriber status as well, which is paid, but we don't want, if you don't want to go with that, first one is newbie status. And this with this status you get 3 energies per hour, that is recharging. Then you have the a resolution of 6 megapixel and for free. Okay, and then with the member one you will get 3 and you will have the space of 5 GB, and the energy would be 20. Okay, and here you can see the requirements for being the member is making 5 dreams, and it should be one plus days of your account. Then the dreamer one, you can become a dreamer, and that's a great thing because you will be getting 5 energies per hour. It means if you will be getting around 120 per day. And then here you can see it, you have a total energy 35, and then the resolution of 1.2 megapixel, which is HD, would be unlocked, and you will have a space of 7 GB. And then you can publish if you want to get this dreamer one, the requirement is you should publish 15 dreams, and then your account should be 7 plus days, and you should receive 200 likes. And the best one and the legendary one, deep dreamer, 8 energies per hour and 10 GBs of space, and you have to publish 40 dreams. So that's the benefit of this one, being into the community and publishing your posts there, publishing your dreams there. And here you can see about the usage as well. And then when we'll just go to community, let me just go there. When we'll just go to community, we'll have an inspiration, and we'll see about different we'll have a look at different dreams, different arts, and different deep styles which we can use and which we can get idea from. Like let's say you just like this art, and you can just have a look at this art. You can see what strategy they are using, and you can just click on try it, and here you will have the complete guide that this artist what kind of prompts, what kind of modifiers were used by this artist. The same way we just copied the style, you can just have a look at other people's styles, and if you are not a good artist like me, so you can just go there. It's not copying, it's just inspiration. So you can just go there, you can just have a look at arts of different people. Then you can see what exactly they are doing to get these amazing arts done. Then you can just go to this best section to see the best arts of, let's say, this week. And here this one is the art, this is the art, and you can see what strategies they are applying to generate that amazing art with 350 plus likes. And this is in the best section, and you can generate the same art by applying the same strategies, but with a bit modification. And then you can sell it on the platforms that I'll be showing you in the next section. The better the art is, there are more chances for it to be sold, and you can have a better pricing as well with the better business. So that's how you can become a community hero. You can get more energies by publishing more dreams, and you can have an idea that what kind of dreams here are on the deepdreamgenerator.com. You can have a complete information with the prompt and all these informations, and you can just get inspiration. That was all about this lecture. See you in next lecture. Now here the most important question is, what's the future of AI? Now most of you can disagree to my opinion, or a lot of you may agree to my opinion as well. So there's a question, should we adopt AI or not? not? For art, is it good or not? For artist, is it fair or not? So let's just go back into the history, and we can see that a few years back there were some tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. These tools were launched, and these tools were to make art easy, and people were to get into a people just got into it, and they just used it, and it was good for artists. Same is the case here. AI is just making the art making it easy for artists to generate amazing art. Now here I am just telling you about a business idea that as an individual you can start a side hustle, because there is not a lot saturation right now, and you can easily get into this business. You can learn a bit, you can spend a few hours, and then you can generate your own arts, and then you can just do this business. But when the market will be saturated after 5 years, after 6 years, after 10 years, when AI art will be in, artists will get into it, then there would be a competition. It would be then game of imagination, that if someone has great imagination, they have a great hold on this tool, then they can do it. Now an artist who don't know Photoshop cannot generate no matter how good artist is he or she, they cannot generate amazing graphics from that Photoshop or other art tools. Here the case is same. You have to be a good artist, a creative guy, or you can just but like me, you can just get inspiration from others, and then you should know the tool, or you should know the use of this tool, and then you can get into that business. If you know, when you will be practicing, you will be generating different arts, you will have a hold on this tool, have a hold on this AI, and then it would be easy for you to generate amazing arts, and you can be an artist and entrepreneur. So that was something that I just thought I should share with you. And the second thing is that people think that generating art is that much easy, and now there would be a lot art, but believe me, the same was the case before, and now what you have to do is what AI does. AI just get the images from internet. It just gathers it out and create an masterpiece for you. So what you have to do is you have to come with a great imagination, with a great idea, a creative idea. And if you have a creative idea with a creative art, and it is marketed well, then you can have a successful business. So don't worry about it. If you are getting right now into this business, when there is not a lot competition, there is not a lot saturation, it would be a lot easy for you, and you can get into it. And after you have established your business here in AI art field, or AI any other AI field, then you can be like a tycoon of AI. So now is the time to get into it, and you can spend a few time of yours, because you have not you don't have to spend years or months or weeks, or not. I think weeks should be okay, or weeks should be fine, but you don't have to spend months or years to learn this art stuff or AI stuff. You just have to spend few times of yours every week or every day, and generates a few arts, publish it on the platforms, sell it there, and then provide services, and you can just make a good amount. So that were few points that I thought I should cover, and this was not a scripted lecture, and I just told you, or I just spoke that was in my mind, and I hope you agree with my opinion. If you don't, that's completely fine. If you have a different opinion, or if you think I'm wrong, then you can ask, tell me in DM, private messages, or you can ask me anything in Q&A. So that was all about this section. See you in next lecture. Welcome to most important section of this course, which is monetize your art, where you will be learning that how you can monetize the art you created, and the monetize the skill you learned in this course. So you will be learning that how you can sell art, how you can sell services, how you can sell physical art, how you can sell digital art, and all that kind of stuff, so that you can make living from selling art created from AI. So just stick to this section and stick to this course and learn more about monetizing art using AI. So just let's just get right into the section. So the first method to monetize your art services or monetize your tool, which is deepdimgenerator.com, is to provide services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and there are plenty of other platforms like People Per Hour, and there are a lot of platforms you can search for these platforms like truelancer.com, and there are a lot of platforms where you can provide the services. But I'll be just reviewing one platform which is up for Fiverr, and we'll be having a look at market, what's the demand, and how much is the competition, and what value you can get from this service. So here you have deepdreamgenerator.com. So when you will go to generate, you have two main options, a text to dream and deep style. And when here we'll go on Fiverr, you can just easily sign up with your Google account or your email, and here you have the profile. And if for free you can create a seller profile where you can sell your services. And then after that you can create a gig like these ones, and I'll show you some of the gigs. Like, let's say I'll search for AI art. I'll search for AI art simply. And here you can see the services are sold for $20, $5, $15, and $5, and blah, blah, blah. And here you can see there are a lot of services. So we'll review few of the gigs. So we'll just open this one and this one. I'll create AI generated art for you, and then attractive concept art, and then here you have this one, art with an advanced AI, and then here you have text-based AI art for you. Then you have, like, you have a lot of the gigs here. Now you, what you can do is you can also convert a profile picture. You can also create a profile picture or DP from here. Just you have to add a base image, and here you have to add a style, and here you can search for profile picture as well, profile picture AI. And here you can see I will create AI generated profile picture for you. You can add effects to your profile picture using this one. First of all, choosing base image and then applying styles. So here you can see there are a lot gigs for this one as well. So here is the first one. I'll create stunning concept art using AI. And here you can see first one is eight variations of your prompt for $20, then one perfect concept art for $50 with editing, and then for $90 it's two perfect concept arts. Then the second one AI generated image is for $10, six AI generated images for $40. Then this one for $5, and then 10 for $25, and you can see the ratings are also 5. And then this one is also 40 high quality images for $15. Then this one is for 10 illustrations for $45. So you can do the same. You can just go to your profile, you can click on become a seller, and you will become a seller. And here you just have to go there, and you have to just complete the journey, you have to complete the overview onboarding. And after you will become a seller, you have to click on continue, and here you have to add all your profile, and you just have to continue, add all your details. And then after that you have to add, after adding your professional information, then you will have to add all the things like what in professional information you will have to add all your skills and all that stuff. And then after you have done that, you have to just create a new gig. And in that gig you can just get inspiration of from these gigs, and you can create your own gig like that. But it should be a niche specific. Like you can say, I'll be create a colorful DP art for you, or I'll create a colorful profile picture for you, or similar to that. And after doing that, you can just publish it, and when you will get orders, you can fulfill those orders using deep dream generator. And you can also send the buyer request, because you have a buyer request option as well, where you can send the buyer requests, sorry, you will see the buyer request and you can answer to those buyer requests. And that's how it works, and you can provide services, and it would be a lot beneficial for you. Here you can see I'll create unique and profile picture with AI, and here you can see these are the profile pictures. What you just have to do is you just have to pick a style, and I'll create a beautiful colorful, or let's say I'll go to choose style. And this one, like oil painting profile picture for you, or ancient profile picture for you, or you can say anything, and you can just apply those things and you can provide services from here. You can see the gigs here. You can get inspiration like this one. I draw a head cut WSJ profile style photo from photo. So from here you can just select this one, this coin lot. This is basically a style, and you can apply that style to create amazing profile picture similar to this one. And here this guy is charging 150 bucks for this picture. So just with AI you can create this profile picture and you can charge the same. So that's how it works. And it's not bad in telling that you will be using AI for that, and you can provide the services. So that's how it works, and you can provide the services. This is not a passive income. This is just providing services and trading money for hours. But I think it's a great option in starting, because to generate passive income you will have to spend a lot of time first, and then you will start making income. So till then you can just utilize this source to make active income, to make your living. So that was all about this lecture. And you can also choose Upwork and other platforms. Like, let's search for freelancing platforms. Okay, so here you can see 16 best freelancing platforms by Hostinger, and here you can see you have Fiverr, Jubal, freelancer.com, Upwork, FlexJobs, Guru.com, LinkedIn, also Behance, Rebel, People Per Hour, ServiceSpace, Design Hill, TaskRabbit, and there are plenty of platforms where you can provide your services, start providing your services, and you can be a successful artist, AI artist, and you can provide your AI art services. And that was all about this lecture. See you next lecture, where we'll be talking about the passive income and all that stuff. So goodbye for this lecture. And the second way to make passive income from these prints and these arts is Etsy, where you can sell digital art and physical art as well. And I showed you in the example back in the course, where you were saying that people are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling their digital art built using AI, and you can do the same. So this is the platform. And again, if you will search for AI art print or AI art, here you will see plenty of sellers. And these sellers are selling hundreds in hundreds per day, and they are generating in thousands every day. And you can do the same. And you can see there are sellers. This seller has made this seller, I'll show you. So this seller has 4,000, around 4,000 sales. Each sale is $20. And here you can see this art is generated using AI, and you can see sell this digital download. And this is the digital download, and you can sell the same. And then I'll just go back. Here are physical products as well, the t-shirt prints and all that stuff. So you can sell those kind of things there. And if you want to sell it, you can just easily search on Google for sell on Etsy. After you will search, you will get the first page, the Etsy sell page. So you will just have to go there. And here, first of all, you will have to continue with Google, or just sign in or sign up. If you, I hope you already have an account on Etsy, but if you don't have, you'll have to sign up, whether with Google or email. I'll sign up with Google. And after doing that, I'll just go here, and I'll just click on get started. Here, is there anything you would like help with? So selling online or all that stuff. So I'll just say skip this question. So now you just have to click on start your shop, and here you will have to add all your details, like what is the shop country, and I'll say United States. And then what's the shop language, and what's the currency. Then here you will have to add the shop's name, Khadeen's Art. And then just click on save and continue. And then you'll have to set up your Etsy shop here, add your primary photo and all that stuff. So I'll just add a photo. And you will have a complete guide by Etsy, which you can, from where you can get the complete like information how you can set up your Etsy shop and how you will be selling and all that stuff. And there you will have to add all the listing details as well. Now after you have created the created an AI art, then you can just have a look at other arts. You can get inspiration that how these things works, and then you can add the name of your art, then who made it and what is it. Is it a finished product, or a supply or tool to make things? Then all the listings, when did you make it, and I'll say 2020 to 2022, or made to order, so I'll say 2020 to 2022. Then what is its category, so I'll say AI print or AI art. And then here you'll have to select the primary color, then secondary color, and then what's the height and width, and then it is it horizontal or vertical, and then it is framed or unframed. Then home style, what is it? It's minimalistic, and or let's say it's, and then here you will have to select occasion. I'll say it's for wedding, or maybe like you can you'll have to select all these options, but it's optional, you can leave it as well if you want. And then the room, then the subject, and then renewal options. And then is it physical or digital? I'll say it's digital art, because we're going to sell digital art. Then if you have any production partner, add it a production partner as well. And then here you have to add tags and materials. And then what's the price? Let's say $20. And then what's the quantity? I'll say 1,000. Sorry, 999. And then that upload that digital file. And you can also add personalization options, but I'll say you can, from here you'll have to upload that file of digital file that you want to sell. And then you can just click on save and continue. I'll not be able to do that because I have not added all the details like title and all that stuff. And then you can just list your product, you can add the billing details of yours, and then with this way you can list your product on Etsy. And if it is marketed well, and it is on the platform, it is good. If it is good, and it's with a good like it's with creativity, and it's with good pixels and all that stuff, then there are a lot of chances that you can sell it. And this is not the one, but you will have to you will have to make multiple listings. So who knows which works out for you, and which sells best for you. And you have to create multiple arts, just post it here, and you can join the Etsy communities to learn more about how to sell on Etsy, and how to optimize the Etsy listings, and how to get more sales on Etsy and all that stuff. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Google, you can join multiple communities regarding that, and you will be getting a lot of information regarding that. So that was all about this lecture. See you in next lecture. So there is another platform where you can sell your print on demand products without worrying about the shipping, without worrying about all the product handling things and all that, because you can easily sell your art on a website which is redbubble.com. So you can just go to redbubble.com, and here let's search for AI art. So when I'll search for AI art, here you will see different kind of products, and you can sell the t-shirts with your AI art printed on it. You can generate mock-ups using Redbubble software, and you can then publish it on the Redbubble marketplace, and there they will manage it all for you. So here you can see, to start selling, just click on sell your art, and here you just have to click on start selling. And after that you'll have to sign up. And if you are an artist or you are a customer, I'll say I'm artist. Here you'll have to add your email address. I'll say khadeendemo@gmail.com. Then here I'll add Khadeen demo, and then the password. Yep, this one. Then the password, and then I'll just click on sign up. After that, here we have the dashboard, and here first of all you will have to add your design. So you will have to create the products, and then after creating the products, I'll not complete repeat the process, but yep. So here you will have to add the products, then you can set up your shop, like adding your profile picture, adding cover image, adding social links, bio, then confirming your email address and adding your payment details, and that's all. These are a few steps that you have to do. To add designs, you just have to click on add, and you can add design on redbubble.com, and from here you can upload your work, and from here, and then you can print it on any kind of things like t-shirts or mugs or water bottles or any kind of things, and you can just sell it without worrying about shipping and handling. You can also use a platform Printify, and this integrates with platforms like Etsy, Wix, Shopify, and you can integrate it with Etsy, and you can sell. And here is their pricings, and here you can see the pricing starts from $0 per month, and 5 stores per account, and unlimited products. And here you have all the pricings with details, so you can have a look at it as well. And here on Etsy, here on this platform Redbubble, you can also sell the products, but it has its own marketplace where you can sell your products, and you can make bucks in passive income, because you don't have to worry about shipping, handling, and all these kind of things, because you have to add your art and create mock-ups, put it there, and you can just easily sell it. You can just go to Redbubble, learn more about it, and sell there. I hope I have explained the basics, and now you can go out and search for it. That was all about this lecture, because I want you to do few things practically, because maybe you can find a better platform than Etsy, a platform that is better than Redbubble, that is better than Printify. After searching out, I just wanted to show you the way, and after you have found the way, then you can find a lot marketplaces on that way. That was all about this lecture. See you on next lecture. So this lecture comes with another amazing method to make passive income from your AI art, and that is to sell your pictures on stock photos platforms like shutterstock.com. So you might have known about shutterstock.com for photos. There are a lot other platforms like Invato Market, and a lot other platform you can search about it. On Invato Market, you can also sell your like graphics. There are a lot other platforms for like buying photos. There are content creators like me, and there are a lot other people who need photos, and they cannot just click them, and they can just easily buy these photos from websites like shutterstock.com and a lot other websites. So you can sell those photos on these platforms. Like you can generate amazing art, like here in text to dream, or in deep style, you can get a free picture of a car in deep style. You can add a 3D effect to it, a 3D style to it, and you can just sell it on stock photo shutterstock.com. Okay, so here you can see there are multiple pictures, audios, and all that stuff, but what we want to do is we just want to sell our photos. So I'll search for sell on Shutterstock, and here you can see submit.shutterstock.com. I'll just click on get started. Here you'll have to create photos using AI, then you can sell it here on Shutterstock, and then you can make amazing bucks. And here, and I'll just add the email address, and I'll just select a password, demo@gmail.com, and I'll select it, and I'll just click on next. And after that, it's asking for email verification. I'll pause the video and get back to you after email verification. And here, after verification, here it's asking for our country, residential address, and all that stuff. And here we'll have to add all our details, and then I'll just click on next. And then here you will have to upload the photos that you want to sell. So from here you can sell the multiple files, and here you will have the complete portfolio of yours, the earnings of yours, and all that stuff. And then you have the insights. Here you can upload photos, and here you will be getting insights of your monthly downloads and all that. So I will just go back to shutterstock.com. Here you can see there are multiple creators, like when I'll just go to images, or I'll just say AI art, And here you can see there are multiple AI arts, and these arts are with hundreds of thousands of downloads, and you can make hundreds of thousands of bucks from these hundreds of thousands of downloads. So you can just sell these AI arts on Shutterstock, and there are a lot other platforms like Shutterstock, like I told you about in Watermarket and all that stuff. And here you can see illustration contributor. So these contributors makes hundreds of photos and videos, and publish these photos and videos on shutterstock.com. And on each download, of each image, they are getting a lot bucks. And this website, let me just show you, this website have the users in millions. And here you can see 60 million plus monthly, 50 million plus monthly users is what this website has. And you can imagine that if you are one of the good sellers of this marketplace, then how much you can make from this website only. And there are multiple websites like this, pexels.com and pixabay.com, and there are a lot of other websites, but I know prominently about this website that you can do it here because I have use cases of this website. I know people who just made a lot from this website, and you can do the same. And the way is great because those people just used to go everywhere. They just travel, they just click photos and publish it here, publish those photos here. But here you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to design graphics, you don't have to click the images, you just have to type something, images would be generated for you, and you just have to pick up like put it here. That was all about this lecture. See you on next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can sell your art in the form of NFTs built with AI. Now, this lecture is not for you if you don't know about Web3 and NFTs and Web3 and all that stuff, because you need some basic information of Web3 and NFTs to get started with it. So, if you know what are the NFTs and Web3, you might know that OpenSea.io is the largest marketplace for selling the NFTs, and here we'll be selling our NFTs. Now, the question is, as here we see a lot programmers and coders who are just doing that NFT stuff and selling those collections, publishing those collections and selling it. So how would our NFT is sold, because we are just using AI and creating our stuff. So here you can see two creators that I got, AI Nightbirds, and these arts are built with AI, and this one is also selling the arts with AI. And here you can see they have big volume and they are verified creators. So it depends on your creativity, because highly coded and highly funded projects even fail sometime, and projects with no funding or investment of few dollars just succeed. So it is unpredictable. So you can try with your creativity, you can generate your creative art using deep dream generator. Now, how to generate art? You can create variations can be created by adding multiple properties. Like we created an art of the ship and in the ocean, so you can add multiple modifiers to that art. Like this was the art. So what you can do is you can just go there and you can edit it, or you can go back. Let's just see how we can edit it. So we can see its information. So this is what this image was using: a ghost ship on the ocean. So you can say green ghost ship on the ocean, or the quality can be enhanced, and then upscaling can be changed, and then were some modifiers used. So you can use modifiers by different artists, so you can create a collection of multiple AI arts. Then after you have created multiple AI arts, you need MetaMask account, or MetaMask or other accounts to create the OpenSea account. After you have created the profile on OpenSea.io, just go there, and here you can go to your collection to create your own collection. So just go to collections, and first of all, I'll have to connect my MetaMask wallet. So, oh my God, yep, it was not connected yet. So I'll just go back and I'll just reload the website. And after I did that, Here is my profile, and now I'll just click on go to collections, and here I can create a collection, and I can upload the image of that collection. You can create the image of that AI art, and let's just download this image, and you can create that image in Canva, and you will have to do some editing as well, maybe in Canva or other tools. Then just download it, and you have to go there, and I'll just add it here, and featured image would be there, and the manager image would also be that, but you have to add multiple images. Then you have to be creative, you have to add something really amazing to get into eyes, but I, for the dummy purposes, I'm just adding this ghosty ship in ocean. And then here you can add the link of your collection, uh, ghosty ship in ocean. Here add a description of that collection. Then here you'll have to add the category. Then select another category. It is about the art, and then here you can add the tags, then your website and your Medium profile and your Telegram profile if you have. Then you can add your address for creator fees, and then with which you will be selling. I'll be selling with Ethereum, WETH or ETH. Then you will have to add a token here, USDC, and there are a lot others. You can use any token here, like let's say DA Ethereum. And then display theme should be padded, contained, or covered. Let's say it should be covered. Then just click on create, and the collection would be created for you. And after the collection is created, what you can do is you can just go and here just click on create. Here in click on create, and here you can create a new item, add your art here, add art name with the purple color. This one is purple ghosty shape. Any external link if you have from deep dream generator, like let's say this is the link, copy that link and paste it, and then add the link here. And then description, from here select the collection, and then if you want to add some properties, you can add properties, then level, and all these things, or you can leave it, and then you can click on create, and almost done. And before create this add this spam check, and then mountain and hills, and let's see. So we just added this one, click on verify, and it got verified. And now our collection is to be added, and here you can see the success. And here you go, you just created this ship, and here you can see you have this one, and now you can just sell it. Okay, so just click on sell. Just select if you want to sell it with fixed price or timed auction. I'll say fixed price 1 Ethereum to be total, set duration for 1 month, and then complete the listings. And after that you will have a potential earning of 9.75. And then here you have to complete the listing, you will have a notification on MetaMask wallet, and you will have to sign it. And then just click on view listing, and here you can see this is the listing here, 1 for 1 Ethereum. And uh, from here you can also check your collections. This is basically a technical process, and you will not get success easier. You will have to learn more about NFTs, more about AI art as well, more about Web3, and you will have to learn about minting and NFTs, and like the OpenSea IO market. And you will have to join the Discord communities where these things are done. And then the biggest problem for you would be solved, and that is the creating NFTs, creating art that you can create using AI art generator. And then you applying the same strategies by other NFT creators, you can just sell your AI art in the form of NFTs. That was all about this lecture. See you next time. First of all, congratulations on completing this course, and have a safe journey on AI art generation and selling your AI art. And then I have a few things to discuss with you. That if you have any questions, because this is really a broad topic, and maybe I haven't covered everything, and maybe I'm a human and I have made any mistake, then please let me know in discussion panel, in Q&A, or in private messages. If you have any suggestions, if you have any opinion, or if you have any questions, or if you want me to correct in something, I'm always open to your suggestions, your opinions. And also, if you have anything to say, and I'll just try to reply you within 24 hours. And then don't forget to leave the review on this course, because the review of yours is really important to us, and also to other students, because it would if it is positive or negative, users, other students will know if this course is good for them or not. And then for us also, it's a social proof. And if someone is coming and that one sees that review, then it is like it is the thing that attracts or keep the student away from that course. And at the end, I want to say you thank you for being part of this course, being with me until the end. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And also stay tuned, because I used to publish different courses like that, which helps people to generate to start a side hustle, to generate a kind of income online or offline. So be with me, and see you somewhere else, or in any other course, or in my YouTube videos, or in the group. Okay, so thank you so much.